We are here at the Gray Hotel in Chicago.
It's an old Westinghouse. I didn't even notice that.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, this doesn't have the logo. We need to get another one. We gotta get another car. This doesn't have it. This is missing something. Also, look how thin this wall is.
Switch down there.
Going down.
Oh, come on, here, you want to see this? Just that car didn't have the logo. That's what I wanted. Nice.
Dewhurst.
US 91 BB.
Was that the brakes?
Door. Middle door's locked. You can see the panel over there too.
No, we're gonna miss that one.
It's okay. You can, I'm sorry.
Nope. Where's the panel? Oh.